Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can change the sign in here. Next, we need to add number 4. That means we need to minus number 4 because I want to create about identity in here. This one, we have x minus number 2 to the power of 2. Next, this negative sign will change the sign of this one. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x minus number 2 equal to number 2 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 sine t square, number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, because we still have s, so I will put negative number 2 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have cosine s, cosine t. So I will put this one gone here. S we change by this one. Ds we change by this one. So we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Next, 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square. The square root of number 4 cosine t square, we have 2 cosine t, and later that we simplify 2 cosine t on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, negative number 2 multiplied by number 4a and number 4. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. Now, I will put this one going here. So, negative number 8 divided by 2, we have negative number 4. So, negative number 4 multiplied by number 1 and negative cosine 2t. So, negative number 4, negative number 8, we have negative number 12. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 12t. the interaction of negative sine t, we have positive cosine t. The interaction of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And I will put about c. 4 divided by 2, we have number 2. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t. That should be about arc sine of s minus 2 over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.